Hey, what's up? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindy. Does anyone notice anything different about me? I got my hair cut, baby, and highlighted. What do we think? I really like it a lot. Speaking of hair, this is gonna be a Pinterest aesthetic hairstyle video. I've seen a lot of new hairstyles, especially this spring and summer. A lot of claw clips. We've already been seeing a lot of hair accessories like hair scarves and headbands. And I just kind of wanted to show you all what I've been loving and what I'm going to hopefully implement in my hairstyle repertoire this summer. A lot of the styles this summer are very, in my mind, reminiscent of the late 90s, early 2000s with the claw clips and everything. Also, this video is in partnership with Aussie. Thank you, Aussie. So I will be showing you guys how I use some Aussie products to achieve these different styles. Hey guys, before this video even starts, I have the background messy. I have my bed made. I have this fan next to me going. I just wanted to show you how greasy my roots are and how I've been combating that. So this is the Aussie Bounce Back Dry Shampoo, and I will put this in, spray it all throughout my roots, especially up by the face. Also, a lot of these hairstyles I'm about to show you work well to help hide / prolong hair washing. So yeah, I use a lot. So now, I usually do that before I do my makeup, but I wanted to do my makeup and then show you guys. I'm just gonna sit with this for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll brush it through and you guys will see that my hair literally looks clean. So I will be back with you. Okay, I look crazy. It's currently 2:12 and I'll be back with you guys at 2:20 and I'll show you how it looks. Just don't even touch it, just let it soak in. Okay everyone, I'm back. It's been about 6 minutes, so we're just gonna brush through a nice rhinestone brush that I've had since literally 6th grade, brushing everything. You could use your fingers if your hair's curled and you don't want to brush it, or if your hair is naturally curly and you don't want to brush that through. Just go through with the fingers. Literally feels so freaking clean. Yeah, I never have let my dry shampoo sit in my hair, and the other day I did it for the first time. And I was like, this is it. This is literally the wave. Look at that. So then I like to tuck my hair behind my ears. And this is day 3 or 4 for me. I honestly don't know. 3. And now I look fine. Literally. Add this with some of the styles I'm about to show you. Boom, baby. No one will even know. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna start off with 2 that are super easy. They kind of go hand in hand. And that is bandanas and hair scarves. These are great for when your hair is a little bit dirtier and you kind of want to hide the root situation. Or if you're like me and you cut your bangs and you don't really like them all the time. And you kind of need to camouflage them. So we're gonna start with the bandana. And then here are some pictures that are my inspiration for the bandana. I feel like we've been seeing this a lot this year, especially all over TikTok. So how I like to do this is just put my hair up in a mid-range pony. Grab your bandana, put it a few inches back on your head, and then tie it at the nape of your neck. Okay, boom. And then some little front pieces might come out depending on what your bang situation is like. I think it's cute to pull a few pieces out. And then you could leave your hair up, and that's a vibe, but I'm gonna take my hair down. No one really has to know if your hair is super greasy. Pulling some pieces out around the ears as well. This is a little bit of a long bandana, but honestly I think it's fine. So yeah, super simple, easy, covers up any root situation. Okay, so now this is my literal holy grail ever since I cut my bangs, because they get in my freaking way all the time. Another mid-height ponytail, just to get your hair out of the way. Hair scarf, I'll link this in the description. It's a little twilly dupe that I got on Amazon. I didn't talk you through that, but that's easy. You know what I'm doing. Tines, baby, at the nape of my neck. Pretty tight, because I feel like I always get these too loose and then they fall off. Taking down my hair. That is so cute, am I right? Covers up most of the root situation, and I can put my little bangs behind my ears and it just kind of looks like a little headband moment. So another favorite. I kind of want to wake it up, wake me up inside, you know what I'm saying? So Aussie Sleek & Warrior dry conditioner is what I'm gonna use. So you're supposed to spray this 6 to 8 inches from dry hair. This stuff smells so freaking good. It makes your hair feel shiny, clean, and kind of just refreshed if you're on day 3 or 4 in my case. Oh my god, it literally smells so good. But you see how shiny? Pulls it all together. I feel like a headband or a hair accessory / style just really pulls your look together. I feel like we just did it. 10 out of 10. This is a favorite of mine. Okay, now this is another super easy style. The hair bow half up, half down moment, which I've always loved hair bows. Fun fact, I used to wear a headband with a bow or a bobbin pin with a bow on it to school every single freaking day. Through probably 5th to 8th grade, I would say I wore that. Honestly, my prime. So anyway, when I started seeing some bows pop back up on Pinterest, I was like, finally, it's my freaking time, baby. Let's do this. I've been waiting for this. Turn it up. I found this like clip-in bow at a boutique local to me, but I'll again find you guys some and link them. You could tie a bow in your hair or use a scarf to make a bow, but that just feels like a little bit harder than this, which is just like a clip. So that's easy. For half up, half downs, grab like the front pieces of my hair, not a lot. I think that this is something that people do when they do half up, half downs, where they grab like all of their hair, and that can work for some styles, but for this kind of thing with a clip like that, you're literally gonna want to take like a bit from each side. And if the bangs fall out, that's fine, if you have bangs. Pulling this baby's back to about right there. Boom. Did I do it? I think I did it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my bangs behind my ears. There it is from the front. Again, if my bangs were styled, they could be down, but they look just, you know, a little bit drab. And whenever they get kind of dirty, it's best to just tuck them behind the ears. How cute is that, man? I've always loved bows. So glad we're doing that again. Okay, babes, now we're talking claw clips. So I just went to Walgreens and grabbed these. This one, super cute. This is literally the like exact same one as one that I saw on Pinterest. This one I grabbed because it was for thick hair, and my hair is pretty thick. And I can't really always fit all my hair and other claw clips. So if you have probably, I mean, any thinner hair than me, this would probably work for you. But my hair is naturally wavy and pretty thick, so this won't work to hold up all my hair. But here's how I would wear it to make it work. So I would just do another little half up, half down, this time with more hair, the top half. So you could do it just like straight up. Boop. And that feels good, that feels secure, that doesn't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. Or you could take that same section, give it a little twist, put it up, clip the twist. Okay, and now this is how the hair on top looks. Go ahead and throw that stuff back. JK, don't do this. If you had longer hair maybe, but mine just sticks straight up. So instead of doing it like that, let's take the twist or that little tail and flip it back around. Did I get it all? Yes, okay. That is the move right there. And that way you can do a little twist and claw clip action, but not have like a super over the top 90s plume on top of your head. I really like how that looks. So real quick, I'll just show you, you can do the exact same things with all your hair in a bigger claw clip. Let's twist it at the nape of your neck, pull it up. Just clip that baby, boom. And I know that this is one of those things where people are like, did you really have to make a tutorial? No. See, here's the thing. I was born in 97. I was around for the claw clips of the 2000s. I saw them with my eyes and I did them myself. Some people weren't. So yes, I do have to make a tutorial. You also can take that twist and again, twist it up and then fold it over and give it a clip. This is my favorite way to wear a claw clip. Okay, so this style I saw on Pinterest. I saw it going down the back of her head, but I'm gonna try and do it in the front. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with a clear elastic, ponytail, little pigtail moment. Okay, already feels really cute. I'm starting to think that I'm just a fan of pigtails. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put one other ponytail holder like halfway down, and you could puff these babies up and make them like big puffy, you know? But I just am gonna pull this apart and put the pony through it and then tighten it. Oh my gosh, literally does that not look like a fishtail braid? I'm literally mad about how good that looks. And mainly about how long I've spent in my life making fishtail braids. I used to do fishtail braids like literally every day in middle school. Okay, I'm gonna do one more at the bottom. Some of my layers are coming out, but that's okay. I kind of like the messy, beachy vibe. Literally what? That is so cute. Okay, and then kind of pancake out the twist just to make it look really voluminous. What if I put it through again? Then what? Don't put it through again. Maybe we don't do that. One's enough. This is about to be my freaking go-to look this summer. Let's see how big we can pancake them. I really like a dramatic braid moment. Oh shoot, pretty big. We can also implement any of our other little steps, like a scarf. Look at that. I mean, are you kidding me? Incredible. So cute. This was dumb easy. Like, should not have been that easy. I'm mad about all the times that I would wake up an hour and a half before school to do my braid. Okay, y'all, we're gonna do a little 60s half up moment. Instead of going like this around my head to do it, because I want it to be up here, I'm gonna literally just take my fingers right at my ears and go up at an angle to my crown. And this is how I used to do my half ups for cheer as well, because I didn't like so much hair going up. And this works best. Now you could use a comb or a brush to smooth your hair out, but I never do. So I'm just using my fingers, and I'm gonna do this at a really high pony, like right behind my bangs, or at least try to put it right behind my bangs because it will end up slipping. Try to pull it forward a little bit. Look in the mirror. It's so cute already. Okay, so now with your bangs, you can take them. If you have long pieces of hair, I forgot to add, you should leave this section out. And if you have long pieces of hair, you can tie them around like at the nape of your neck with a ponytail holder. But I don't have long pieces of hair, so I'm just gonna tuck them behind my ear and bobby pin them. And now you also could use a scrunchie right here, but I think that it would be cute if you did just like a piece of hair from the back of the ponytail, wrap it around the clear elastic a couple times, and then you can bobby pin it. Here's what we're working with. Tell me that's not cute. You know that's cute. Okay, lastly, I want to show you a little style that works really well whenever you want to camouflage a greasy root situation. Okay, so grab the front part of your hair, pull it back, and then grab, I'm gonna take all my bangs, a piece of hair like right where you want to secure it, so that way it stays where you want it. And ponytail, like with a clear elastic, just tie that piece off. Boom. Could that be neater? Yes. Do I have my bangs pulled back in a cute little style? Yes. You could do this and leave the front pieces down. And then this is kind of like a Bratz inspired ponytail. So leaving your front pieces down. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Okay. Pull the rest back. Repeat that on the other side. Cute, huh? Okay, so to finish any of these babies off, I'm gonna recommend the classic Aussie Mega Hairspray. This stuff is iconic. It's not the highest hold. This is a flexible hold, which I like because it doesn't feel like crunchy, but it will just kind of seal you in there, make sure nothing's going anywhere. Boom. The smell is so nostalgic. When I used to do competitive cheer, my mom would always buy the Aussie. We would use like the hella big hold, but anyway, the smell is really nostalgic and it makes me think of cheerleading. So, but yeah, doesn't feel crunchy or anything. Make sure I'm not going anywhere. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed and took some inspiration. There's like 1,000,001 different hairstyles you can do with the help of some hair accessories, a couple claw clips here and there, and some clear elastics. So I hope you try some out. Let me know if you do, and I'll see you in the next one.